Hi guys, it is Hardware Info channel, and today I will show you how to fix problem with Google Play Store stuck on padding in your Motorola Moto E22. In the first step, we must go to the Google Play Store, where we try to download something on our phone. We click install, but it's stuck on padding. To fix it, we must go back to the main menu, navigate to the setting, and scroll down to the system option, where we have date and time. We click there, and we must change this first option, set time automatically, to use network provide time. And now we go back to the Google Play Store and try install something again. And it is working right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye!